Mr. Jeffrey Litan, Vice President for Comptrollership. The UID program instills a strong sense of identity and responsibility in our students. It bridges the gap between academic learning and real-world application by embedding the university's core values: ethics and integrity, quality and excellence, unity and collaboration, achievement and passion, and leadership and innovation into their mindset. Many students initially struggle to see their potential, but through UID, they learn to connect their personal goals with civic responsibility, fostering both individual growth and societal contribution. Incorporate real scenarios and case studies into our discussion, allowing students to reflect on how values of ethics and leadership apply in their daily lives. For example, during the session on teamwork and collaboration, I use interactive activities like group projects where students solve community-based problems. This hands-on approach ensures that the lessons is not just theoretical but can be directly applied to their professional and personal lives. Many students exhibit a noticeable shift in their attitude and outlook, to become more confident in their ability to contribute to their communities, to start themselves as leaders even in their small ways. Even students have initiatives in their voluntary works, organize events for local causes, and approach their studies with a renewed sense of purpose. Their understanding of teamwork and collaboration has also significantly improved, making themselves better prepared for the workforce or any leadership role.
Universidad de Manila, uplifting lives through quality education.